Coming to the bend on the road. This fence. This is the bend in our road here. This is it. This is as high as it's ever gotten. Waist here. Now it's up to my chest. Walking on people's road, front yard. I can't even walk down the road. It's probably up to my shoulders. Waiting to find out what we did. Have to watch every step where you walk in. People have landscaped 4x4s. I just stepped over one into their driveway. Left there. For some reason thought it was a good idea to leave their cars parked in the driveway instead of taking them out to Nellie Bennett. Parking lot Nellie Bennett's totally dry. Here we go. Praying our house stay dry. Ghost town out here. Nobody around. The only person out here. On someone's front lawn now, and the water's up to my thighs, which is a nice little treat. I don't think the postman's coming today. Unless the mailman's in a boat. Always seems to be the right height. Keep your mail dry. Well, looks like there's water in our driveway, so might have water in the garage. I don't think anybody thought I was going to get this high. I'm trying to work my way back out in the street again. It's really deep on the bend there, but it gets all right out here. All right, back on the street. It's up to my waist. Guys, front door open. I thought they had the front door open, which is the screen room open. Looks like the house might stay dry. I don't know how bad it was in here last night, so I'd say that guy's got a foot or two of water in his house. Lost all the shingles on the roof. Construction on our house here. Looks like they're going to be doing a little bit more. Ooh. The car's not going anywhere just yet. They probably had a foot or two of water in that house. All the ranches back here, a lot more built on slabs. A long time ago, 30, 40 years ago. Back here. All you hear is generators, wind. Look at that. Fence is all wiped out, and lagoon to lagoon. The only thing you see is houses sticking out of the water. You guys lucky. tied his boat across the lagoon. Looks like he's holding up fine. Another big boat tied up all right. This is, well, another house that's going to have a foot or so of water. Wow, I can see how high it came up. Last night you can see the water stain marks on that paint. Oh God. So last night it was up another 1.5 feet above this. I don't know if you can see those water stains. I'm sure we have water. We have water on a little crawl space in the back. I got water downstairs. I can see the driveway has water in it now. It's already. I came up pretty high on their cars, but I can see right this way. You can see now. See Artie's house. You can see the high tide mark, how high the water came up. So we definitely got water on our first floor. Only up to my knees. Getting better. Roy's boat is still on his lift. I can't believe those jet skis are still on that guy's dock over there, or this boat's still here. Got it really close. Again, Janet's house looks like it might stay dry. Petey's gonna be happy to see me. Look at that. He's still blowing hard. Oh boy. Look how high he came up. Look at this. It blew in here. Oh boy. Downstairs is gonna be ugly. See roof shingles under the water. I guess our tomatoes are done for the year. Tie off this boat. See wood laying around here. I don't know where anything came from. Oh, I forgot to take the big picnic table out of here, but wow. We have a saltwater pool. And this is a first. Dave and Cindy's boat Still tight off our right. I guess those lines held up going across the other side. Boat is okay. Some trick, just tying those lines across the other side. I guess Dave's boat was rubbing against our bulkhead, and I can see not a lot of damage. With my knee, there's no way I'm getting on it. Oh boy. Guess we're supposed to go downstairs. Some new shingles up top. Pool heater underwater. Fish are still alive, I guess. NBC survives another storm.